How to pick your first fantasy Premier League team. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here if you are brand new to Fantasy Premier League, well in this video I'll show you how to pick up your first Fantasy Premier League team. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and here make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the fantasy icon, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the button that says Pick Team. So simply tap on it, and after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your team name. So here, just enter your team name first and accept the terms and conditions of it. And once you're done, you can simply tap on select name. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you'll get a budget of 100 million euros to pick 15 players. That's 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders, and 3 forwards. So here you can just tap on the positions like goalkeeper and choose a player, and you can sort it by the price, total points, or even teams. And here you can keep going until you have filled all 15 slots, and you need to try balancing top players with budget picks because it's all about value. And here, once your squad is full, you can adjust your starting 11 formation by swapping players with the bench, and you can tap and hold to drag players around. And here, once your squad is full, you can just tap on save, and that's it. That's how you can pick your first Fantasy Premier League team. And here, you need to keep an eye on fixtures, injuries, and players from each week to stay competitive. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.